Hi everyone, and it's Omele and you are Adisa once again. Hope you are doing good wherever it is that you are seeing this video from. It's one of our video tutorials, drum tutorials once again. And if you are aware, during the last video I told you that there are different drums in the ìsáájú family, in the Dudun family rather. And here with me today we have Omele. This is actually Omele ìsáájú. There are so many things that differentiate this Omele from the other drums. The number one thing you notice is that the size, it's more or less of the smallest in that family. Although they all the drums in the Dodun family have the same shape. They have the same shape, but they have different size and sound. They have different size and sound, but they all have the same shape. So now I'm introducing you to the Omele. Like I said, there are some basic things you need to know when we talk about Omele. Here we have the most important part of every drum, every Yoruba drum, which is the odo. That is the cone-like and the wooden structure that you are seeing here. Don't bother yourself saying this. Don't worry, there will be other drums that will be bigger than this that you can easily identify the odo. But because this one is actually the smallest, you may be finding it difficult seeing the odo from here. So we have the odo, then we have the osan. Those are the strings that are used in tightening the ojuilu together. And then here we have the ojuilu. So it has two sides. It has two oju. This is one, and this is the another. This another one. So we have ojulu. This is ojulu, and this is ashele. I may not be able to go into details to explain what that means to you. This is ashele. Mainly, the idea of ashele is that the remnants of the osan, when it was being tightened, used to fasten the two ojuilu together. So that's what they call ashele. And we have the idelu here. So the idelu is actually meant to tighten and then adjust the sound of the drum. Now, if we get to the training session per day, per se, you see how I use the idelu to adjust the sound of the drum. To adjust the sound of the drum, either to raise its height or to just reduce it. Then we have the oja here. That's the carrier for the drum itself. So with this, you just handle it. You hang it this way on your shoulder, and you will be able to handle it and play it. I think I've been able to tell you the basic part of the Dudun drums. Thank you.